So a lot of people open on Opay and they don't know how to upgrade it from tier 1 to tier 3 or the document to use. So I'm going to show you the simple way to upgrade your Opay from tier 1 to tier 3. And the first thing you have to do is to open your Opay account. After you open your Opay account with your BVN or NIN, they are going to proceed with your phone number and send a code to confirm your phone number. After that, your phone number has been registered. Then you are going to continue with your email address or Gmail. So after you put your Gmail, they are going to send a code to verify it. After the verified, and you are going to finally proceed with your face verification. After you proceed with your face verification, then your Opay has now been created for you to be able to use, and then you are going to log in with your Opay account like this. So this is my Opay account now. This the one that I created for my mom. So what is going to happen is that when I created this account, I have a lot of issue that's regarding upgrading from tier 1 to tier 3. Though finally the upgrade from tier 1 to tier 3 has been successful, and that is what I want to show you today. I'm going to show you how to upgrade from Opay tier 1 to tier 3, and just click on the profile picture. So you are going to see accounts here. So just click on accounts here, and it's going to bring me to this current level. So you are going to see that I'm now in Opay accounts tier 3. So if you want to, let me tell you this, if you want to upgrade from Opay tier 1 to tier 2, you are going to need your BVN. Just confirm your BVN. So that is just it. You don't need any document like that to upgrade from tier 1 to tier 2. You don't need documents, just your BVN. They are just going to confirm your BVN. After they confirm it, they are not going to send you any email messages for that. But for tier 2 to tier 3, they are going to send you email messages. So how do you upgrade? The simplest method is that first thing they need for your Opay tier 2 to tier 3 to be successful is that your address and the name and the date. That is what they are going to use, and it must not pass 3 months. It must not pass more than 3 months validity. That is the validity that is going to be on the date. That it must not pass to be able to verify. That is what I'm trying to say. So it must not pass 3 months. If it has passed 3 months, they are not going to verify it, and they are going to get it. So let's move to their document that you are going to need. So let me show you. Come to your transaction, Opay's transaction. So click on download. You are going to see download. Click on download. So select last 2 months, and you are going to see your email. That is the email that they are going to send this to. File type, select PDF, confirm. Then make sure that it's showing address. Click on address shown on statements. So click on that. It's going to show it, and continue. So you can check details. Then after that, noted, send statement. They are going to send statement to your email. Then you are going to type your PIN. I'm going to type my PIN. So you are going to see that successful. Your account statement will be sent to your email within 2 hours. So they have sent it. Go to my email now. You are going to go to your email after the bank statement. So refresh it. Statements for Opay account. You are going to see, scroll down a little bit, then click on download. You are going to see download. So let me click on it again. So it's downloading file. It has downloaded. So click on it. So it has opened. This is it now. What you are going to do now is that you are going to click on the 3 menu icon by my right hand side. Click on print. Once you click on print, you are just going to see, can just enlarge it, and you are going to screenshot it. Just screenshot it like this. So once you screenshot it, so this is the standard one that you are going to screenshot, or you can also screenshot this one. This is the standard one that you are going to screenshot. You are going to make sure that the address on this Opay account, on this Opay statement, is the one that is showing on your on the address that you are going to use for the upgrade. So your name is going to be on this statement, Opay statement, and that is the name that is going to be on your Opay account. So they are going to verify it, and after that, make sure that you screenshot it. And after you screenshot, go to your Opay account. After you screenshot it, go to your Opay account, enter your tier 3 or tier 2, click on upgrade account. You are going to see it. After you upgrade it, then fill in your details. Click on, if you want to upload for account statement, pick account statement, then upload your account statement that you screenshot, something like this. You are going to see it. So they are going to, don't bother to enlarge it, they are going to enlarge it from their office. When they are trying to verify it, they are going to enlarge it for themselves. Then they are going to make sure that they what is this called, your address on the account statement and the address that is on your OP account, that it matches each other. After that, your name and the date does not pass 3 months. They are going to verify your account. So right now, this is what I used when I'm trying to do my own last 2 days. So you are going to see it. This is the one that I used, as you can see. So this is it. I used this one for my mom. You are going to see November 17 and this is November 19, last 2 days. So this is the one that I use. I use my mom Opay account statement for Opay accounts upgrade from tier 2 to tier 3, and this is what I received. You are going to see the time that you are going to see. So can see that is my mom name. Your Opay account has been successfully upgraded from tier 2 to tier 3, and you can now enjoy higher transaction limits. So you are going to see the Opay account balance, something like that. So that is how you are going to upgrade from Opay tier 2 to tier 3. So just make sure that you watch this video carefully and you follow what I said, and you are going to have a upgrade without any trouble. You are going to upgrade your account without any trouble. So this is the easiest method for you to upgrade your Opay account tier from tier 2 to tier 3. Make sure that you subscribe. So see you in my next video.